Welcome to Canada Admission and Study Visa Process Guide. Presented to you by Edfolio International Education Counselors. Step 1. Submit documents. Submit documents for application processes for given checklist. Also, pay application fee if it applies. After the submission of documents, wait for 4 to 7 weeks to get the conditional offer letter from university. After receiving the conditional offer letter, you can choose 2 ways to deposit fee: via SDS, or via non-SDS. Step 2. Deposit fee, via SDS. Pay the amount of tuition fee for 1 year, which is mentioned in the offer letter by university. Step 3. Investment certificate, via SDS. You are to submit a guaranteed investment certificate blocked account, containing amount $10,000 Canadian dollars, which is 1 year of living expenses, to be submitted in Nova Scotia Bank along with all the visa documents mentioned in the checklist. Step 2. Deposit fee, via non-SDS. Pay the minimum amount of tuition fee for 1 year, which is mentioned in the offer letter by university. Step 3. Bank statement, via non-SDS. You have to submit bank statement equivalent to 1 semester tuition fee, 1 year living expense and all the visa documents mentioned in the checklist. After receiving the letter of acceptance from university, wait for 7 working days. Step 4. Visa application. The fee for visa application is 150 Canadian dollars and the biometric fee is 85 Canadian dollars. The visa decision time is 20 working days for SDS, and 2.5 to 3 months for non-SDS. Important note for process: IELTS score should be 6.0 in each module for SDS policy. Intakes are in winter, spring, summer, and the medical dues are of 17,000 Pakistani rupees submitted after visa application submission.